Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to install WhatsApp on your iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's jump right in. First things first, we need to open the App Store. So, find that App Store icon and give it a tap. Once the App Store is open, look down at the bottom right-hand corner and select the search icon. Now, click on the search bar at the very top of the screen. Here we're going to type in WhatsApp, all one word, just like that. Okay, once you've typed it in, WhatsApp should be the top result, and the icon should look like this. Tap on it to open the WhatsApp page. If you scroll down, you can see more information about the application, screenshots, reviews, all that good stuff. But to actually install it, scroll all the way back up to the top. You should see a Get icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, mine shows a cloud icon because I've downloaded WhatsApp before on this phone. Yours will probably say Get if it's your first time. Alright, once the application has finished installing, the Get button will change to an Open button. Tap on Open, and it'll launch WhatsApp. You should now be greeted with the WhatsApp welcome screen. When you're ready, click on Agree and Continue. Next, you'll need to enter your phone number. Go ahead and do that now. Okay, once you've entered your number, click Next. If you've already got a WhatsApp account associated with this number, it's going to retrieve your information. If you don't, you may need to go through a bit more of the initial setup process. Once you've logged in and restored all of your data, you can go ahead and start using WhatsApp just as you normally would. And that's all there is to it. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching.